Objection.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Mr. Chairman, I rise in very strong opposition to the proposal presented by the Republican leadership. At a time when this country has a very large deficit and a $4.7 trillion national debt, it is vulgar, it is crass to be giving huge tax breaks to the wealthiest people in this country and to the largest corporations. It is unacceptable that half the tax breaks in this proposal go to people making $100,000 a year or more, and that the wealthiest 1% will receive more in tax breaks than the bottom 60%. It is pathetic that in a time when the richest 1% of the population own more wealth than the bottom 90%, and when the upper 4% of earners make more money than do the bottom 50% of earners, that taxpayers making over $200,000 a year receive a tax break of $11,000, while those making less than $30,000 receive a tax cut of $124. And the rich get richer and everyone else gets poorer. Mr. Speaker, it is especially outrageous to be talking about tax increases for the rich when we all know that it was the huge tax breaks for the richest 1% in the 1980s that was a major cause of the explosion of the deficit during that period. As a result of tax breaks given to the wealthiest 1%, the Treasury Department lost over $1.5 trillion between 1981 and 1992. $1.5 trillion in tax breaks to the richest 1% during the 1980s, and guess what? In the 1990s, they're coming back for more tax breaks for the very same people. Shame.
Gentleman.